Alright, hey. This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something brand new from Tapatio. This is their original flavor cup. It's microwavable. I didn't know this. So I'm going to try doing it. You open it up halfway, which I think is kind of, doesn't say to reseal it or anything. It says open cup halfway. Wow, a lot of color in that cup. And then you fill it to the line with water, and then you microwave it for 3 minutes. I'm going to do it at 1,000 watts. There we go. Okay. I always get afraid when microwaving instant noodles, and why is that? Well, I don't want it to spill over, because if it spills over, I'm going to get heck for it from my old lady. Alright, right in the center. No. Power level 80%. Engage. That's a little over the top. Sorry. Alright, now it's time for our quote from the book. Momo Fukuendo Speaks, a book about things that Momo Fukuendo said, because he said them. And they're all quotes. I'm looking at quote number 73. Try hard to increase revenue, but be frugal of spending what you earn. Alright. Hello Kitty. No Hello Kitty today. No, not right now. Papa's working. Don't get in trouble. But we're gonna try something. Maybe. I know you can't see me. You can't see me. There. We'll see how it goes. What did I tell you? If you want special surprises and fun stuff, you gotta go sit down while I'm doing my show. Let me just say, the last time that I tried doing my show, it was horrible. I had to redo episodes. It was a cluster, ladies and gentlemen. Let me put it that way. But so far, so good. I had to sit down. We had a yamma. And I think they get it. Good things happen to those who behave. We shall see. Anyways, they had their classes today despite threats of power outages. It's still pretty windy out. We've got a wind warning until 6 and it's 2 o'clock right now. So we'll see what happens. It could go longer and then, everything blows down. But I actually, if you go on Facebook and look up the Kenmore Power Outages group, not the page is worthless. But the group, there's over 900 people. I live in a city called Kenmore that's been notorious for power outages. I've done TV interviews about them and about how my kids are not thrilled about all the power outages. And I think They finally fixed that. And it's spilled everywhere, ladies and gentlemen. Fail. Wow, I'm getting my ass chewed out tonight. I mean, I will clean it up and everything, but yeah, that's lame. Lame. Ultra fail. Yeah, that blows. So, points lost on that, folks. It's like, you gotta put an absolute value for wattage. When it just putting heating times may vary, no, that's not cool. Go and take 20 million of your, or like 20. Go through, like, see what happens when you microwave it at like all these different wattages. Because all these microwaves, you can change the wattage. You can change the power. Usually its power level is 10 to 0. If you have a 1,000-watt microwave, logically, right? If you've got a 1,000-watt microwave and you microwave stuff at, say, power level 90, that's going to be doing it at 900 watts. Convenience store microwaves standard are at 800 watts. This was probably meant to be microwaved at 800 watts rather than 1,000. Our microwave is a 1,250 watt, so each step down is 125 watts. So anyways, yeah, let's give this a try. But I think one thing that I'm a real stickler about is package instructions are like really important to me, because I gotta follow them. Original flavor, Tapatio. Cheers. Oh, that's hot. It's good. It's got a nice tanginess to it. It's got that Tapatio-y flavor. Not like broth that's just like straight Tapatio. It's got a good strength to it, but ain't gonna break your head. It's very tangy, like, what do you call it? Almost like kimchi, almost. Got some cheese and some beef. What did your children? I'm gonna microwave it for a minute. Well, not like a whole minute, but. Yes, no. I'm just looking at that cheese. I'm gonna call it good on the heat. That should help. But what I need is this. Oh yeah, that cheese is doing all right. Just back it on up, roll it on down. Fitting. Should we egg it? I feel like we should egg it, but I don't know where all that egg would fit. So just do that. Some leftover shallot we can put in there. Well, I think we're good. Come on, Rotato. Show him who's boss. All right, spicy stuff from the USA by Tapatio, United Exchange Corporation. Thank you very much for shooting this over. I really appreciate it. This is good. It's tasty. All right, it's been Tapatio Ramen wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.